Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick overview in this video of how to use your textbook, the Bedford Researcher, as a citation guide as well. So one of the reasons why I wanted you to purchase this book, in addition to it being a useful resource in other research and writing classes that you might take in the communication studies field, it also has in the back of it various citation guides. So you'll see it has MLA, it has APA, and it has Chicago. In this course, the style guide I would like you to use, the style I would like you to use is the APA style. So you should go to this section of the book, especially for the citation quiz. This is going to be really useful. And just a quick heads up about how to use this. So you'll see underneath this, under the chapters, although you can't really read it, you'll notice it gives you some overview of what the chapter covers. The first is just citation tutorials for common reference list entries, so from books to articles. And then the rest of it is more specific. So I would encourage you to use the more specific formats. I think they are more useful. The first part gives you instructions for citations within your text. When you get to the point of writing your paper, this portion will be really useful to you. But for this discussion board and for how you're using citations so far in the class, it's really entries in your reference list that are going to be most useful. And essentially you'll see it's broken down by types of resources. So books, conference proceedings and dissertations, journal articles, many of the scholarly sources that you're using for me in this class are going to fit under this first set of categories. If you have a different kind of source, something like a popular press article from a magazine or a newspaper, it's going to be the second one. And you just go on until you find the category that fits better. Media material, digital material. So essentially the best way to use it is to find the category that the source that you're using fits under, to look up under the categories what seems to fit the most with what you're looking at. Do you need to find out how to cite more than one author? Do you need to look at something that's published with a DOI? Find the category that fits the source you're looking at. Turn to the page. And simply follow the guidelines for what you're seeing. So if I have an article with the DOI, how do I cite that? It's going to give me an example right here. If I follow the example, paying attention to capitals, periods, italics, parentheses, and everything, all that information there, then I'm going to have this come out right. I know that there are a lot of online guides, Cite While You Write resources. After doing this for many, many years, I can tell you that none of them are foolproof. Many of them will get the citations incorrect. I'm asking you to use this guide to help you figure it out correctly. Once you get it down, it's pretty easy. It's just a matter of looking up the information. Hopefully that will help you, particularly with the discussion board for this week.